Dear students, today we are going to continue the 2-mark questions November 2018 exam. The first question is Kaizen. Kaizen is a Japanese word for the improvement in small increment. So the continuous improvement in small increment, the evaluator will see the point for the word, the continuous improvement in small increment, you will get a mark. Second one, what is cost of quality? Cost of quality is a opposite meaning. It is not amount paid for the quality. This is amount paid for not achieving quality in the first attempt. That is called cost of quality. It may be divided into, the question is only for definition for cost of quality. So you can write the amount spent for not achieving the quality in the first time is called quality cost. The types of costs are the cost of good quality, cost of bad quality. Cost of poor quality means internal failure, external failure. Cost of bad quality, good quality means prevention cost, appraisal cost. Now, the next question is FMEA. This is third unit. Failure mode effect analysis. The right notes on FMEA. FMEA is a paper test. You got the word looking for them is technology plus experience. So recognize and evaluate the potential failure product cost. Defects. Identify the actions that could eliminate and reduce the chance of potential failure. Document the process. FMEA is a paper test. Other one is quality circle. We already seen this one. Quality circle is a small group of voluntary people in the same department sit together and solve the problem. And what is benchmarking? Benchmarking is a method of observing the best practices from the competitors and put it on product. You want to draw this figure. This is the definition as well as the figure. Where our present performance level, how do they do it? What are the other performance level? How did they get there? Rate reduction, breakthrough performance. So, for definition 1 mark, this 1 mark, the benchmarking is a single word. Another one, what is process capability, where it is used? Process capability is defined as minimum spread of the specific measurement variation, which will include 99.7% of the measurements from the given process. That means you have to produce the components of 99.7 components, percentage of components come into. Okay. The CP means the process can be capable of making components within the specification limit. The lowermost drawing you can see 3 places. CPK means the process is centered around the center. The 7th question is QFD. This is 4th unit. Quality function deployment. This is converting the customer voice of customer into the final product from development to stage. This is also paper test before proceeding further. So definition is the system for translating consumer requirements into the appropriate requirements at every stage from research through product design and development to manufacture and distributors, installation and marketing and sales. The evaluator looking for the word voice of the customer, converting the voice of the customer into the design. Then what I understand by Six Sigma? Six Sigma is they are producing 10 lakh components, 3.4 components may go out of the limit. This is a version of GE version, and 3.4 defects per million parts per opportunities. So normally we are the evaluator looking for the word GE version as well as 3.4 DMPO. And write the significance of the quality. Why we need the quality auditing? First one is we have to check whether what is written, what is actual. Then based on the findings, you got to go for a corrective action. Then third one, based on the corrective action, how the following is follow-up is taken or not. Then it is used for the continuous improvement. Last one is to think about the process. Last one, what are the elements of ISO 14000? You draw this figure, you get a 1 mark. Element is a normative reference, terms and conditions, scope, environment policy, planning, management review, continuous improvement, implementation operations. So write the 9 points are there. First 3 is a common one, another 5 is a useful one. So you got to draw the definition or anything, you draw the figure, you can also put marks.